This is arrivals area. We can't go back once we came out. So you see the beautiful place. Arrivals like Starbucks, ATM. So onward travel, bus, train, tram, everything. Metro, not tram. So I am waiting for my hotel shuttle. I just missed it by 1 minute. So next I have to wait till 9:30. Now it is 8:30. Car rentals, Zero, Avis, Dollar, Europe Car, Astro, Edge. So all car rentals. And mobiles also there. Just I will see if I can take one SIM card. Departures area, and you can see public buses and hotel shuttles. So I have to wait here. The next bus is 9:25 to Hilton Hotel. So there are good shops and duty free supermarkets. Carrefour is French supermarket. So I am just exiting. This is taxi, hotel shuttles, car parking area. Excellent. So I have to wait here for next 35 minutes. I came to this floor. So from here you can see buses and shuttles. I have to wait for my shuttle. It will come at 9:25 a.m. Now it is 8:50. So this is my first experiencing of Dubai. Very hot Dubai. I just came out from the airport building. So I am going towards buses and shuttles. So this is the first time I am coming out of the airport. I have been visiting, I have been going via Dubai since 2002, almost like 23 years, but never came out of the airport and visited. I can see Dubai Metro. So this is the first time I came out. So I am going to stay here for 5 days in Hilton, Dubai, close to airport. They said close to airport, but it is showing like 10 kilometers. That's why I have to take shuttle. So see how it goes. So I will just explore, and also I will share my videos, my experiences about Dubai, budget travel, and food to eat, and places to visit, everything. So keep following my YouTube videos, YouTube channel, and share it, like it, and subscribe. This is departures. I have to come here after 5 days. If it is same terminal, I have to come. Otherwise, with different terminal, I have to go somewhere else. So you can see buses and shuttles, car park. So I have to go for buses and shuttles. Beautiful building, but it is very hot here. So I am already feeling hot. Coming from cold European climate, so it is totally different here. So this is bus stop. You can see bus number 25. It just came. 24 CO01. 25 is leaving. So this is the bus stop. Also finally the bus came. Hampton by Hilton, Dubai Airport. It started 9:25. These are the first pictures of highway. You can see the buildings. So I'm just going in the shuttle. So he's a Pakistani driver. He's from Peshawar. I was just talking to him from past 10-15 minutes, and he's telling his experiences living in Dubai, working in Dubai. So he's saying like he has to work 7 hours a day, 12 hours per day. So 7 hours per week, 7 days per week. So no rest, no break. So it is tough life here. That's what he's saying. From the airport using blue bus shuttle. Now it is 10 o'clock. My check-in time is 3. I have just to go and inquire about early check. I came to know that like Sangeeta Bhavan, Sharana Bhavan. So there are several South Indian restaurants close to my hotel, Hilton, Hampton by Hilton, Dubai Airport. It says Dubai Airport, but it is 10 kilometers from Dubai Airport. But it's an excellent hotel. So now I am walking towards Sangeeta Bhavan, which is the closest one to my hotel. So to have lunch, South Indian, tiffin, not lunch. So either dosa or idli or vada, anything like that. So I'm just walking towards that. Dubai is very hot now. So today is May 27th. It is hot. I think it recently crossed 50 degrees centigrade. So hard that normally people don't come out till 7 p.m. and after 7 p.m. they just spend till midnight or even after the midnight. So yeah, today is my first day. So I just have to see how it looks, and today I'm taking this desert safari from 2:30 p.m. from my hotel. So I have booked all packages from my hotel. So I didn't check outside. So I would have checked it, but I just
head northeast.
So I have checked Abu Dhabi tour, Dubai half-day tour, and it's a desert safari and night cruise. So all those things. So today I'm starting the tour. So it is $150. So today I'm starting this desert safari at 3. Finally I came to Sangeeta vegetarian restaurant. I will eat dosa or idli after maybe 20 days. Excellent. So I ordered idli, 2 idli and single vada. Beautiful.
Eating idli, vada, chutney, sambar after maybe 15 days. I was very much desperate.
Sangeeta Pure Veg Restaurant. Excellent. I will eat here for next. This
week.
is my hotel, Hampton by Hilton. So there is a airport shuttle from airport every 30 minutes, every 1 hour, and 24/7. So it is only $45 per night, including breakfast. So I think even if 2 persons book also, I think it would be almost same. So my room number is 205. I'm just had my lunch, in Sangeeta Bhavan. So today I just went to Sangeeta Bhavan. I shared videos. So this is just 200 meters from here, Sangeeta Bhavan.